Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cleaning the EC Way. If you're new here, welcome. So guess what we're doing today? We're gonna try to get the gunk off this faucet. So we do know that the easiest way to remove this kind of buildup is to add some like vinegar to a little plastic baggie and to secure it in place, ideally overnight, but we don't have time for that because we're at a client's house. So we are going to use Barkeeper's Friend and our favorite cleaning tool, a scoy rag. Whenever you are using Barkeeper's Friend, the area needs to be wet, and so does whatever it is you are scrubbing with. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take the rag and kind of make a paste, because I don't think sprinkling the Barkeeper's Friend upside down like that is going to really get the area I need it to get to. And then I'm going to scrub this little area that needs a lot of extra attention. I will say this area was very small and it was hard to get a good grip on. So I was really surprised at how difficult it was to get around this little teeny area, only because it was only like a couple centimeters big. But I'm a determined person and I don't give up easily. Both the Barkeeper's Friend and the Scoy Rag are doing an amazing job helping to remove this buildup. And I'm just going to keep going. Again, I don't give up. We love the Scoy Rag because it is a non-scratch rag and it removes so many different things. It can be used with cleaning your home to doing your dishes. If you guys are interested in this or any of the other cleaning tools that we use, we do have a link in our description where you can purchase one. So just so you guys know, it is actually important to not allow Barkeeper's Friend to dry. And so I'm going to rinse the area very, very well. And it's at this point that I realize the rag and cleaner have done all that it could, and I need something more. I forgot my razor again, so I'm going to use a putty knife to try and gently scrape off some of those areas. And I will tell you, I really wish I had my razor because it's not as easy as one might think. But I was able to get some off, and I will show you a chunk of what I got off here in a moment. You guys, I told you that I am a very determined person and I don't give up easily. Here we go again. No, actually, I was able to get some off with the putty knife, and I just wanted to see if what was under the big chunk I got out, if I was able to get it off with just a scoy rag. I'm going to go over and right here, this would have been so much easier had I had a smaller razor blade that I could have just gone around the edge with. But luckily I had my putty knife to get more off. I'm going to have to ask the homeowner to soak it with vinegar so next time I go clean, I can have it look brand new. Here's one of the chunks I got off with that putty knife. You'd be surprised what those kind of tools do when you're cleaning. I'm going to go over it one more time with Barkeeper's Friend because I was able to get some chunks off, and this is going to help me get under where those chunks were at to make it look beautiful for my amazing clients. Like I mentioned before, we have to make sure that we rinse it off very, very well. I'm going to go through with water one more time and rinse off the Barkeeper's Friend. And once I'm done with that, we're going to do more. Right here, I am spraying it down with our favorite enzyme all-purpose cleaner by Zeif. Z-E-I-F-F. Our favorite smell is lavender. I don't think it smells like lavender personally. I think it smells like Zest soap, but I like it. If you don't know how enzyme cleaners work, we'll go into it in a later video, but I will say it breaks things down and it helps with smells. I'm spraying it like this for one, because I want to make sure that I did get all the Barkeeper's Friend off, and two, it's going to help in the cleaning process and it's going to be sparkly and shiny. Now, I was not able to get everything off, and that is okay. Like I said, the client, I did talk to her, and she is going to soak it. So next time I come clean her house, it will be amazing. And But I'm pretty proud with the results. It's, definitely 90% better than it was.